The universe just caught me off guard. I was receiving the guidance to just sit and share that frequency for you, to prepare your system to fully let go of your old self, old version for this new portal of truth. 1111 portal is going to welcome the new version of yourself. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let this frequency, let this vibration remove the old self, grieving the old self, the space in between the new and the old, stepping into your new envelope, metamorphosis. Allow the universe to do his part. Rest. You will be surprised how resting is the key to fully welcome the new version, the most authentic version of yourself. I'm saying in my mind's eye a massive cobra breaking from its egg. You're definitively shedding your skin, welcoming this new version, letting go of the past. You're not just what you used to be, you're way more powerful than your thought, your limits. These codes are going to be so massive to welcome the new version of yourself for this 1111 portal. I cannot wait for you to discover the benefits of it. If you want to dig deeper, you can check my website. I offer some very life-changing session. It will rewire your brain. It will erase your trauma out of your system. It will reset your true, authentic self. I have the ability to dig very deep into the Akashic records to reshape your life. Someone is very involved in a twin flame journey, which is a double mission. You have your own path, but your twin flame is your mirror. Your union is divine. You're working for your own mission. And for the sake of this divine union that has been crafted with God itself, you're most definitely a chosen. It was 6-9 on the screen, which is divine flow, divine alignment, divine union, equilibrium. Through my services, I will also help you reset your personal history, what used to be I'm hearing the definition of your past. I'm here to help you erase and align with your true, authentic self, getting rid of what it is that is not your DNA, and activate your true golden DNA. You're here to manifest. You're very powerful manifester, and I'm here to help you reconnect with, the card really wants to talk. I'm here to help you, because you're an entrepreneur, most definitely. You used to, oh my God, you're so powerful. I'm tapping into a soul that is so powerful, but the weight of your, I'm very hot right now. I'm really tapping to you. I don't know who you are, but the weight of your childhood, the weight of your education, they completely broken you. You were always meant to manifest big stuff, and they completely brainwashed you. They smashed your soul to make it fit. And today it's such a fight for your soul. You're so tired because your soul knows that you're destined for greatness, but they put so much on yourself. I'm here to help you. I'm here to, with the grace I'm hearing and the love of God through my hands. I have powerful healing hands. I'm here to transmute everything that is not yours. Believe me, pity yourself. Be ready to receive. You're destined for greatness and for success. You're destined to achieve big stuff. Don't let your past define your future. You're not these thoughts. In a child meditation, I'm seeing through what they did. 9-9 on the screen. This is end of the cycle, believe me. I have spiritual ninja. I'm going to end here. I'm telling you, you are destined for great success. Link is in my bio. Until next time, be ready for this 11-11 portal. This is the time. This is the time. This is the time to welcome your new self and smash the whole self.